everybody. Alright, so welcome to this California Gold Rush. We're back at the nugget spot, and we got an army of people with us today. Got a bunch of detectives, so we're going to be out looking for some targets, and we're going to dig them up. The weather's a little bit gloomy right now, but it's supposed to warm up today. So check out this waterfall behind me. It's pretty nice, huh? Alright, so we made it down the river. We've been doing a bit of panning. Everybody's been getting a little bit of color. Nothing big so far. But I just found this spot. Those big boulders right there. I'm going to take you down there real quick and show you what I found. Seems like the better gold's been coming out a little bit higher. This spot's a little bit high. And it's pretty cool, and it's a little dangerous. So it's right up my alley. I'll let you see. As you can see, it's a big piece of the mountainside that had broken off. And it created a little cave here. You know my thing with caves. There's some bedrock under here that people haven't really touched. Let me turn my light on, hold on. So, I just took all those rocks. We're sitting up on top of this bedrock right here and cleared it off. Down here there's a little bit of organic material, but it's got this nice clay in with it, which the gold's been sitting in. And then up here, this is bedrock right here. There's a nice crack right here. And then over here, there's just a lot of nice material just sitting right on bedrock. And it goes all the way up into here. Alright? Now over, right in here, I'm going to take you over there real quick. Some little caverns that go in back here. I'm going to crawl through, but I'm going to see what's over in here. I haven't been in here yet. Alright, I can stand up in this section. So there's some bedrock up here. And definitely people haven't probably been to. There's another little spot you could crawl through over here. And underneath these rocks is just bedrock cracks. So let's see what we get in that pan. The sun's coming up. Alright, let's get that pan cleaned out. Oh, it's looking good in there. I'm gonna bring you in. Alright. So I'm starting to scratch away. As you can see, the material's getting a lot more clay and a lot of iron staining in it. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really see the camera because I'm jammed up under these rocks, but the material looks pretty good. I'm just gonna scratch this stuff up and fill the pan. I'm still working over in that hole where we originally started on, where Todd found that, the topcat found that nice nugget. But I saw this, I came over looking for Petey, and he was over messing around over by here, and I noticed the little cave. So I said, hey, I'm gonna crawl in there and take a sample pan and see what we find. It looks like a spot that not too many people are gonna go into, which is always good. Gold is where people don't want to go. Sometimes. This material looks really good though. Not a good spot to be if you're claustrophobic. Because I'm literally just squeezed in under here right now, and there's a massive piece of bedrock on top of me. Alright. Camera doesn't really make it look as dark as it is, I don't think, but alright.
That pan wasn't as great as I would have thought for being underneath that big rock, but I got 3 nails, which they're modern nails. Actually 4, I dropped one. And then, I don't know, there's probably 20 or 30 pieces in there. Not what I'm looking for though, because I got better pans over in that hole over there faster, so I think we're going to go back over there. But, good spot to come back to.
It's gonna go. You need another rock underneath or no? Yeah. Oh yeah. Watch out. Ah! Woo! Nice job, guys. One more. One more roll and that thing's out of our life, dude. Just trying to roll this really nice. Let it go, man.
That's how you do it.
That's right. Got to fish with hands. Now that one will move too.
Yeah. Petey!
So we've rolled those big boulders out and we're getting good consistent gold, but it's all small. There's some better areas upriver here, so we're gonna go upriver and try to find a spot that we can pop a sluice box down. Bennett and Topcat have already been up there for a little bit. We just finished lunch. Jerry's coming in behind me somewhere. I can see him, he's pretty far back, but Jerry's back there and Chris is on his way. So we're gonna go upriver a little bit. There's a lot more boulders up here and it looks like there's a lot more bedrock. And we're directly underneath where the feeders are coming down. Right up behind me. You can see up there on that hillside. So we're gonna push on, see what we can find. Hopefully we can salvage the day. We've got a good amount of small gold, but nothing really big. So we're gonna look for that big gold today.
let's push on. Found a bunch of targets, but nothing of any value. There's a lot more boulders up here. I'm gonna try to get up to where that is over there, that bluff. Well, I just hiked up and passed Bennett and Topcat. They're down there. Hey! Can't hear me. I'm pretty high up. I just followed this feeder up. Petey's up here with me. Alright, so just like the weather, I've been kind of all over the place today. Been way back up and around that hillside behind me. All over the river, up and down. Been really all over the place testing. Everybody's kind of spread out quite a bit throughout the day. Everybody's been getting consistent gold, but nothing really too big besides Topcat. Make sure you guys go over to Topcat's channel and check out his stuff, because he's been getting some good gold today. So today, well, the end of today, I should say, we're going to finish up with some easy stuff and work our way back down. Right now, I'm collecting some moss. See what we can get from that. So I found some nice clumps. You can see there's a lot of river gravel in them. A lot of sand built up. That's what you're looking for. So we're going to pull these off, fill up the pan quite a bit, and see what we get. Jerry just challenged me to a moss off. It's the end of the day. We've been filling pans of moss. So we're going to have a little friendly competition. Jerry's got a pretty full pan. I'm doing pretty good too, though. Jerry, how'd we do on the moss off?
You won.
Not bad for a pan of moss.
Got a winner over there? Adam won.
I won the moss off, yeah. Pan for moss.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fun.
Killing it, huh?
Killer moss pan. Back down at the other spot. Topcat just came down. He's got some nice colors. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, it's in my bag.
If you hit it with your torch and it shines up beautiful, it's because it's marked gold.
Okay.
Well, I can't tell it.
Torch it at home.
You can't tell. Doesn't quite look like cheese to me, dude. Looks like a real rough piece of gold. Because cheese has got like, it's just like bubbly. You know what I mean? That's got more texture to it.
That's the gold.
That's a nice little piece, dude.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. Petey just made it all the way down that steep hill and straight down, and then jumped up this. It's like 6 feet up right there. A little hot. Pretty impressive little dog. Alright, so it's a few days later. You know the routine. That's how we've been doing it with these micro, fine gold, etc. cleanups, flower gold cleanups, coming back and doing the blue bowl. So we're going to hit up the blue bowl real quick. We don't have too much cons because I broke it down quite a bit. So it should be a pretty short run. So we'll do that and see how much gold we got. The big pan out. This is a 17-inch Proline pan. You can see the difference between the pocket pan and that's a big lighter there. This is a big pan. It's pretty good for cleanups. It's got a really big, wide bottom on it. And the blue actually helps you see the gold a little bit better, I think. Pretty sweet to get a custom super sluice made in blue, don't you think? So we got our State of Jefferson $2 bill here. So let's weigh up our gold. Alright. Just here. Okay. So 0.38. Considering that we weren't staying in one spot really, and that there wasn't as much gold in that hole because somebody had gone and dug in it, I'm pretty happy with that. And you know, it was a pretty good day with friends, and it's 0.38 more gold than I had before I went out that day. So you gotta look at it like that. But I've already had 2 trips since this trip. I'm gonna probably wrap those videos up shortly, and then I'll be putting those out for you guys too. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.